Hi guys, if you're new to my channel, just click the notification bell or all or personal notification bell, and then click the like button and subscribe. And further ado, let's go on with details about the weird noise I heard last night. So it's about I'm lying in bed watching Full House. The one where Uncle Jesse gets married to Rebecca. That's his fiance in the show. And he decides to skydive out a plane. So I recommend to watch that one. That's a great one. And he lands in tomatoes and gets arrested. And I don't know why. Someone thought he attacked their tomatoes, but that was silly. So they let him out of jail. It was funny. He wanted to live a little before his wedding. That's what he wanted to do. Skydive. How many of you here skydive? Let me know. I'm too afraid to skydive. I have a fear of heights. I won't even go on upside down rides because of heights. Now let's get on. Last night I checked something on my phone. Like on my phone. This is about 1 in the morning. 1:22 a.m. in the morning. I check something on my phone, and then I hear a loud thud in the laundry room, and nothing fell. I went to check, and nothing fell. It was creepy. And I'm going to post a link to that video down below. It has me wondering, what the hell was that? Why around 1:22 a.m. in the morning you would hear that? And what is it? Is it a ghost? I don't know. My dad told me, I sent him the clip. He thought he saw a dancing figure, like a little sylph. He calls them sylphs. I call them a little ghost. Or my haunted doll, Red maybe. Does it look kind of clown-like? It could have been Red. He could have made that noise. Okay, so this was strange. I checked my security camera again. I go on a ghost hunt, and I hear a little voice reply back to me when I did an EVP. And my camera caught some EVP, and that thing is going to be... I'll put that video down below for you guys to hear the EVP. It was like a child's voice, a creepy thing. But there was no children outside. There was no children go in my house, by the way. It's very creepy. I need you guys to listen so you guys know that my house has become haunted now. I put my haunted dolls in the laundry room. Great place for them. That's when I start hearing the loud thud. Now, there's a story about my haunted doll Red and my haunted doll Captain. Apparently, before, the person who sold me Captain and Red was saying that she had to get rid of Captain and Red because Red was causing things going bump in the night. She said that sometimes things would go missing with Red, or sometimes she would hear noises on her security camera and can't explain. So he even responded to a Ouija board with his name as Red. He even responds to spirit boxes, but he has a very childlike voice. But apparently Red is supposed to be the ghost of an old man. I hope this old man inside Red isn't a creepy clown, but probably it is. So tonight we go on a ghost hunt and we go looking for Red's haunted clown. Take care, folks.